Hey guys, how's it going? It's Christina. So for today's video, I want to tell you all about decorating. I love decorating. I think it's so fun, and I've really made an effort to try and make my classrooms feel really warm and inviting, and I think a lot of that has to do with how you set it up and how you are just creating a really nice atmosphere. So I just want to give you a few tips on some things that I have done over the years. What I really love to do is I love to pick a theme for every 2 to 3 years. I don't like to do it every year just because I think it's a lot of work, but I know some people do that and I think it's awesome. But I'll just go with that theme for 2 or 3 years, and then I'll switch it up just to have a change. And so some of the themes I have done in the past are, the first one I did was rainforest. The next one after that was black with white polka dots and turquoise. The turquoise really popped against the dark colors. It was really nice. And then after that, I did nautical. So I did greens and blues with anchors and different things. And then after that, I did black and white with chevron polka dot and burlap. And then the one that I have going right now is cactus with kind of like a southwest flair. So once I pick the theme or the color scheme, or both, I will use a background color, and I'll use that same one for all my bulletin boards in the whole room just to make it look really uniform. And another trick I really like to do now is I'll put double borders. I feel like double borders just add a little bit more to it. I don't know, it just makes it a little bit more dressier and fun. So it's a lot more work and more money, but I think it just makes it look really cute. And then from there, I will go shopping online or in stores, usually online a lot, and I'll really shop around for things involving that theme. So bulletin board pieces or items for my desk or items to put around the room, and I'll look for good deals, and I'll kind of like plan out purchases throughout the summer to try and get a few things together. I'll probably talk about this a lot more in another video, but even though I'm talking a lot about decor and making things cute, which is really important because you want to make it welcoming to them and fun, it's also important that everything in there has a purpose. So make sure whatever you're picking has a purpose and there's some kind of function in it that will help you with your teaching. Another thing I've had in my classroom every year since I've started teaching is a reading area. I think a reading area is so awesome to have. The kids love it. It makes the room look cozy. It gets them to read more. I mean, there's a lot of reasons. But a few things I like to have in my reading area, I like to have some comfortable seating. So I've had bean bags. Right now I have some lawn chairs there, like the nicer ones, like the garden chairs. You could I put like a little mini couch, is like a beanbag couch type of a thing. I've had lots of great seating there. And I'll also put an IKEA table there. I also love to put artificial plants there, and I'll hang things from the ceiling just to make it really cozy and nice for them. And to be in that area, they have to be reading, which is another great reason to have a reading area. This next area is a little bit trickier because I know certain districts have policies on this, so you want to be familiar with the things that your school and district have in place. But I really love to have lighting, different kinds of lighting in there. I love to have little lamps, especially in the reading area. I think it makes it really nice. Or sometimes on some of the different counters. I've done twinkle lights in certain areas. There's a lot of really cool little lights you can do. And again, you'll want to check your policies first before you do this. And if it's something your school doesn't do, there's other ways to make the room look nice as well. But if you are allowed to, I think it's a great addition to your classroom. Besides decorating your classroom, it's also really important to keep your classroom clean and organized so that way your decor can look nice and your whole classroom can look clean and just put together. So if you want to see some tips on decorating or keeping your classroom clean, I have a few videos on that as well. Okay, there is my video all on my classroom decor. I definitely have a lot more I can share as well, so if you would like another video on this, please comment down below. I think decor is so fun and it adds so much to your classroom. If you have any other suggestions as well on things that you have done, please comment below as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.